nature, animals. They don't need us, but we need them. Imagine a world where animals were fully understood. We share the same planet. It is possible. We can make it. Let's take a leap into the universe where animal and other species have a voice. They need our respect. Animal communication, intuitive communication, telepathy, it's all the same. A soul-to-soul communication. A mom always knows how her baby feels because they use a communication beyond words. The same we are using with animals. Then we grow up and develop the speech and forgot totally about our natural abilities. We naturally use that language to send and receive information through our six senses. Animals are not judging, not analyzing like we do. They are pure love. Animals are wise. You can communicate with your animal companion to know how he feels. What does he need? He sees through you, he feels you, he watches you all day. He has so much to tell about you. They are wise and guide you through your life. Animals respect us, respect each other. Why we don't do the same? Through our six senses: sight, hearing, taste, smell, feelings, and intuition. We just have to quiet our mind and close our eyes to see and feel it, to reconnect to our deep nature. You can communicate with every single species, even wild animals. They have so much to teach us. Today they are asking for help, to save them, to save us. And there is still time. I've opened my non-profit organization, From Joy to Animals, Nature, Earth, to promote animal communication, to raise awareness about animals' intelligence and feelings all around the world, to bring another vision of the animal companion in the society, and to give animals a voice.